Here's a lesson on how to draw boxes in one-point perspective. Now, I highly recommend you watch the previous video on how to draw straight lines freehand. It'll help you out a lot. Otherwise, if you really don't want to do that, you can use a ruler. Don't worry about it. So what you're going to need is paper, pencil, eraser. Nice and simple. So first thing you're going to want to draw is a straight horizontal line. That's going to be your horizon line. On that horizon line, pick one point, close to the middle right there. That is your vanishing point. Off to the side over here, go and draw a regular rectangle. This is the front side of the box you're going to draw. Off the top corners, and this corner right here on the bottom right, draw light construction lines that go straight to that vanishing point. Alright? Now, somewhere along this point, this line over here, pick a point where the box is going to stop receding and draw a vertical line right there and a horizontal line right there that intersects with this construction line. And then you can darken these portions of those lines in. There you see a really simple box that's receding into space where you see the top surface and this right side that's kind of being pulled back towards this vanishing point. Alright? Now, here's what it looks like when it's above the vanishing point. And this one I'll draw in kind of like an X-ray view so you get a little demo of how to kind of visualize where those hidden lines would be at. Now, without the hidden edges, I'd be done with that, but in order to include the hidden edges, I'm going to go from this corner there. I'm going to draw a little construction line. Same thing with this corner to the vanishing point, draw a construction line. And then from this corner, I'm going to draw a light line vertically until it intersects with the two construction lines that I just drew. And right there, I'm going to draw those in dotted lines. These are the hidden edges. Okay, so that's what a box looks like when it's in one-point perspective and above the horizon line. What's really prominent over here is you kind of see the underbelly of this thing receding back into space, and it's a nice effect. Now, in order to draw a box that's kind of some of it's above and some of it's below the horizon line, all you need to do is, again, you're going to start with the front face, but have part of it go above this horizon line and part of it below, right? From this corner, I'm going to do a construction line right there and right there. From the bottom left corner, I'm going to decide how far that recedes back. I'm going to darken in these portions. And why don't we go ahead with hidden edges with this one too. So this corner out to the horizon line, light construction line. Same thing with this corner. Strike a horizon line. Okay. Now from over here, I want to draw a light horizontal line. And because I'm not using a straight edge over here, a lot of this kind of estimate, make your best guess about where this vertical line would be, and then you can go back in there with the hidden lines, make it look nice and neat. The dashed lines. So those are 3 boxes in 1 point perspective, below the horizon line, above it, and somewhere in the middle.